After launching the fully electric 7 Series, the i7, BMW revealed the details of the additional variants of the new 7 Series. Here you can see the impressive M760e xDrive. It is a plug-in hybrid that has the combination of a 3-liter 6-cylinder M twin-power turbo unit and an electric motor. Total output is 571 horsepower and 800 Nm of torque. M-specific design features, interior trim and cockpit displays makes this model sporty and elegant at the same time. Deliveries to customers will commence in spring 2023. Prices in Germany start at 144,000 euros for the M760e xDrive. Tell me in the comments how do you like it and how would you spec it.